Welcome to Conceptual Learning channel. This video presents 6 types of benchmarking. Please subscribe to channel. In order to get full benefit of benchmarking, we must understand its core concept, which is to discover the best practices of successful companies and identifying core activities of your company that needs to be benchmarked as customer satisfaction, reduced cycle time, and quality of product and service. These are 6 types of benchmarking: internal benchmarking, external benchmarking, competitive benchmarking, performance benchmarking, strategic benchmarking, practice benchmarking. Now we briefly explain these types of benchmarking. Internal benchmarking. Internal benchmarking refers to setting same standards in each area within the company. External benchmarking. External benchmarking helps in identifying and removing performance gaps in the company. Competitive benchmarking. Here direct competitors are involved for comparison. Performance benchmarking. Performance benchmarking is as a sort of internal benchmarking. Here critical adjustments are made in current standards. Strategic benchmarking. In strategic benchmarking, your company seeks to implementing the methods and procedures of successful companies. Practice benchmarking. Practice benchmarking is concerned with analyzing the qualitative aspects of activities to rectifying the performance gaps within the company. Our next video will cover 8 steps in the benchmarking process. Thank you for watching.